Hi guys, it's Sukrit from STEMcoder, and today I will be explaining how to find the area and the perimeter of a rhombus. So now just to do a quick review, a rhombus is a shape where all four sides are of equal length. That's all. So you may know that a square is also a shape where all four sides are of equal length. So that means a square is a rhombus. However, in a rhombus, the four angles don't necessarily have to be equal. So I have a quick demo over here. This over here is a square. Now if I bend the square, if I slightly distort it to a side, it becomes a rhombus because all four sides are still of equal length, but the four angles are not necessarily equal. So see, this is a square, and if I slightly distort it to the side, it becomes a rhombus. So like most other shapes, a rhombus has a width and a height. By the way, if this looks like a kite, you are correct because many kites are shaped like rhombuses. So a rhombus has a width and a height, and you can see this divides the rhombus into four equal triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just say this is the width, and this is the height. So to find the perimeter of a rhombus, you simply have to add up the four sides. So let's do it. Let me label it side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. So to find the perimeter of a rhombus, you simply add up the four sides. But because all these sides are of equal lengths, it's simply equal to the side length times 4. So keep in mind, this is the exact same formula to find the perimeter of a square, because like squares, rhombuses have all four sides of equal length. So to find the area of a rhombus, I'll explain to you why this is, but I'll just write down the formula. It's going to be the width times the height divided by 2. So it's half times the width times the height. So I'll use a different color marker to show you a quick visualization. So you see, this is the rhombus, and using the width and the height, I can make this a rectangle. So you can see over here that this is the rhombus, the stuff inside the blue is the rhombus, and this pink is the rectangle. You can see that the area of the rhombus is half the area of the rectangle. See why? I'm going to shade in the area of the rhombus. The rhombus has four of these triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the rectangle has 8 of these triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this space over here, these 4 triangles, are equal to the area of these 4 triangles over here. So the area of a rhombus is going to be half times the width times height. Let's do a quick practice problem. Suppose I have a rhombus over here. The height is 20, width is 10. So that means this is a 20 and this is a 10. How do I find the area? It's going to be half times the width times height. Which is equal to half times the width times the height, which is equal to half times 200, which is equal to 100. So I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to do some of the practice problems on our website. Finding the area and the perimeter of a rhombus is not too complicated. For the formula does look pretty similar to the formula for calculating the perimeter and area of a rectangle or a square. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.